Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve affiliate marketing with eBay, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by understanding the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. Research eBay's affiliate program and its benefits for marketers. Create an account on the eBay Partner Network if you don't already have one. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, including tracking tools and reporting features. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and has a strong market demand. Analyze products available on eBay within your chosen niche. Select high-quality products to promote that offer competitive commission rates. Consider seasonal trends and popular categories when making your selections. Create engaging content that highlights the products you are promoting. Use product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides to provide value to your audience. Incorporate SEO strategies to enhance the visibility of your content. Utilize relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags to attract organic traffic. Promote your content across various platforms, like your website, social media, and email newsletters. Leverage social media groups and forums that align with your niche to connect with potential customers. Maintain an active presence on these platforms to build trust and credibility. Keep track of your affiliate links, ensuring they are functioning correctly and driving traffic. Use analytics to monitor which products and strategies are performing well. Regularly update your content to reflect the latest trends and product offerings. Experiment with different types of content, such as videos, infographics, and blog posts. Consider running paid advertising campaigns to boost your visibility if it fits your budget. Stay informed on eBay's policies and any changes to the affiliate program. Network with other affiliate marketers to share insights and strategies for success. Continuously educate yourself through courses, webinars, and industry. By consistently refining your approach, you can enhance your affiliate marketing efforts on eBay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.